Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Steam underscore API 64.dll missing or not found in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up Chrome and check my video description for this text used in my video. Just copy and paste it and press enter. Select the first link, scroll down, select the download option. It will start downloading. After getting download done, you just need to select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select extract all and select extract. After getting extract done, you just need to copy this DLL file. After copying it, go to this PC, local disk C, Windows folder, double click on it. In here find system32 folder, just double click on it. Right click on the blank area and paste this DLL file. Select replace the file in the destination. Select continue. After getting done, go back to Windows and find SYS wow 64. Just double click on it. Just right click on the blank area and paste it. Select replace the file in the destination. Select continue. Now you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.